Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I am about to rip the Hildebeest again. We're going to take it, do a little bit of freestyle, really hard flight. But before we get to that, I wanted to take a moment to tell you guys about a charity fundraising event that we're going to be having here next weekend, Sunday the 11th of August from 10 to 3 at the Pickleweed Picnic area in Baylands Park in Sunnyvale. If you guys can make it, we'd love to have you here. This benefit is going to be for the Second Harvest Food Bank of Silicon Valley and the Boys and Girls Club of America. I've got online fundraisers set up for both of these. I'll put the links in the description. If you can't make it, but you would still like to contribute, check it out, please. It's for a great cause. I've set a very attainable goal of $2,000. If we can reach that, combined online and on the day of, I'm going to do a giveaway for a brand new sealed Mr. Steel Tyrannus Special Edition X9D controller. Brand new, you can't get them anymore. They're extremely limited. There was only ever 500 of them made. This is what it looks like right here, and you guys are gonna have a chance to win that. So let's pull this together, guys. It's for a great cause. I hope that some of you can make it out. It would be great to see you here. We're going to be doing a raffle. There's going to be a barbecue. We're going to have entertainment provided by Silicon Valley Productions. We're going to have X-Class demos. We're going to have Beast-Class demos. There's going to be 3D planes, 3D helis. We're going to have battle with the flight test Bloody Wonders with the long streamers behind. We'll probably even throw a couple of 5-inch freestyle quads in the mix. It's going to be a great time, and it's all to benefit a really, really great cause. So again, Sunday the 11th of August, Baylands Park, 10 to 3. Hope to see you there.